Hello traders, welcome to my channel. Every time that we are all fine, that hope that we are fine. So we are speaking about smart money concept. This is a we are defining every time of smart money concept. I will take you through all the notes that you need for you to pursue a well course of smart money concept. So enjoy and stick in the video. So let me after the disclaimer every time. Let me change up every in the chat. Right. Thank you. Welcome guys to my channel. Obvious, this is now what we are speaking about, smart money concept. Wow. So as you can see in the screen guys, so actually what is smart money concept? Let me even read for you, right? Smart money concept is a theory that states a certain market participant such as institution investors and have more information and resources than an average trader. These participants are called smart money. So, if you don't know about smart money, this is the journey of the smart money. Actually, we are starting. You know, you have watched a lot of video, but this is now the key point of the smart money. I'm entering the deep root of trading. So let's continue smart money. So, as you have seen that smart money, they state a certain participant and their institution. They have more information and resources than average trader like you actually. So if you trade like a smart money, they have more information of the market. They know when to sell. If you sell with them, actually you cannot sell like them, but with them you trade when they are trading. That's the best time that you will see. So smart money. So for today's video we are preparing new psychology. We will be entering from liquidity, market structure. So this is all about the introduction. So let's continue. Smart money, because they are thought to have better understanding of the market and make more informed trends. What is informed trends? This is a winning trades with a profit. Traders who use this concept in their strategy to try to identify trends of the institutional investors and use them as a guide of their own trends. This can be done by analyzing market data such as trading volume and order flow, and studying the market price action. By following the market, traders hope to gain insight of their market in hand and make trends that align with the institution investors positions. That's right. So you make trends that are aligned when they are trading. Yes, that the smart. In the context of the forex market, smart money refers to the large institutions, traders, and market makers who have access of sophisticated tools and a deep understanding of the market dynamics. So if you trade like a smart money concept trader, you will not lose, and if you lose is very small. If you have full understanding, actually you will trade like a master. You will trade like smart money. That's what we are calling smart money, guys. So that's amazing. You are winning, right? This is now the journey of meaning, making money. So I'm taking you through the note. This is now the learning platform that you have actually get. Without this, that is all these gurus that they are showing you about smart money, they are not taking through notes. That is fake out. You need to have full informed. These traders are thought to have advantage over the retail traders. So what are retail traders? Retail traders are us, you and me, and the others more in the retail traders. So we have small money. Let's say you are trading even $100K. Those are small money in forex market. As much in forex we deal with 800 billions. That is a lot of money, so we cannot control. Who are controlling the smart? The forex trading is actually the smart money, and I'm saying that if you train like a smart money trader, you will make it, guys. So observe the actions of smart money is a popular trading strategy with the ideal being the following their trend can lead the more profitable decision. So whenever you trade price action, you get money. The concept of smart money is based on idea that the large traders have access to the more information and better understanding of the market conditions, and therefore make better trades. If you start trading like a smart money concept trader, you will do have better trends. I know you did not know anything about smart money. Hey, you actually ask, what is smart money? What is smart money? But actually, I'm here for you. That all about smart money concept. You are there, you don't know about smart money concept, guys. You have been asking yourself, what is smart money? What is smart money? Does it work? So this is now full deep root of smart money. Today's is just looking at smart money concept, how it deals. So in the smart money briefly, I will now go what we will study. What is market structure? We will do even practicals. We go to the real chart and understand. Let's move down. This illustration, simple market structure, we look on that amazing. These are fantastic playlists that you will have actually up trade, down trade, on a live chart. We will now pass all these things. Let's look the important thing. The best smart money trader you will hear in terms below. Let's say BOS, break of structure, course, change of character, underflow, overall trade, OMB, under block, liquidity, stop it, FV, GM, fair value gap, imbalance, IDM, inducement, supply and demand zone, buyers and sellers. So I knew you didn't not know about these guys. So the great thing that before I finish the trend, the important thing that you can do to my channel is just subscribe and get all the informed. This is where you are informed. If you want to be successful, you need to be informed. That right? So you trade wisely every time, guys. So subscribe, leave a like to grow the community every time. Let's miss the next time. Trade wisely every time, guys.